Mind power is one of the strongest and most useful powers we all possess. This power, together with our imagination, can create success, happiness, and lot of opportunities for us. This depends on our mindset. This is Aarti Limay, co-founder of MyGenie, the ultimate mind power success system. Naresh Rangwani is a money and mind power coach with MyGenie. Let us hear the success story of Kishore, where his goal was to buy himself a dream car. Over to Naresh and Kishore now.
Hello, Kishore. On behalf of my Genie team, this is Naresh Rangwani. I would like to welcome you to this wonderful program called My Success Story. Kishore, this is a program where we invite people who have attended our training program, applied the knowledge that we taught them, and they achieved their goals. And I'm very happy to know that you are one of them, Kishore. So very, very warm welcome to you. How are you feeling about being here on this program today?
Sir, thank you very much for welcoming me for this My Genie program and to share the success stories. I'm very well and I'm very fine and very nice to see you, sir.
My pleasure.
I'm very much happy.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kishore. Kishore, so first of all, before we move forward, please tell us more about yourself. What do you do? Let the audience know आप क्या करते हो. Please share about yourself.
Sir, my name is Kishore Jadhav. I stay in Mumbai. I work as a zonal sales manager and I handle a team of 60 people. I look after entire West Zone and presently I'm working for Livinia Life Sciences and this is a brief about me.
Very nice to know, Kishore, that you're working at such a senior position and contributing to your, pharmaceutical industry. So, Kishore, my next question to you is: do you remember when did you attend our Mind Power Training program?
I cannot forget that date, sir. It is a very that was a night phase of my time. It was exactly in the month of October 2018. I attended the training program.
Okay, so it is almost 3 years now, Kishore. I must say you got a wonderful memory. 3 years ago you attended. So, Kishore, my question to you is that what was the key learning? When you came for the program, what was Kishore before the training program? What did he learn? What did he become? What were key learnings? What were key takeaways from the program?
Well, I learned a lot in that training program, and let me share you just briefly. Before attending the training program, I was in a totally negative frame of mind.
Okay.
But then when I attended the training program, when I came out of the training program, I was totally changed person. I felt so energetic, and I was in a totally positive frame of my mind. So that was a very good thing which happened about me during the training.
Awesome. I'm very happy to know that, Kishore. Kishore, now my main question, which I'm sure everybody is, waiting to know, that what is your success story? What are the goals that you set, during the training program, and which goals you achieved? Kindly share your success story. We are very, very eager to know about your success story.
Sure, sir. In the training program, whatever techniques which were given to us, I started applying them. And one of the major techniques which helped me was visualization. And as for that visualization, I had kept three goals in my mind.
Okay.
One goal was of purchasing a 7-seater car.
Okay.
Second was to go to UK. And my third goal was to become a national sales manager. And I'm very much happy to share with you that I have achieved my first goal.
Wow.
Of buying my own car, and I'm really happy about it.
Awesome.
And it's a new Ertiga, and I had already planned that during that visualization process. I used to visualize it that, and really I am very much thankful and happy that I could achieve my first goal.
So, Kishore, before you go to the second goal, first of all, heartiest congratulations on behalf of entire MyGenie team on 7-seater car hai. So we will look forward to have a nice drive with you.
Thank you.
Heartiest congratulations. New Ertiga in a time situation where people are not even, people are selling their cars. You have purchased a new car. Heartiest congratulations. We all are very happy. Yes. And please do share about your second and third goal also.
Yes, sir. I had also planned my second and third goal, and I'd like to share you with that also. My second goal was to go to UK, and let me tell you this: I would have achieved this goal if there was that situation.
Right.
And that was not an issue for me. But when I'll achieve that goal, I'll definitely come back again.
Yes.
On the frame. I'll again thank you very much for that.
Absolutely. That's a spirit.
My third goal is to become national sales manager. That I have kept it by this year end, and with using this visualization techniques and affirmations and whatever techniques which you taught me during the training program, I will definitely apply to it, and I'll definitely come back again with my success story of the third month.
Absolutely,
I assure
Kishore.
you that.
Yes, thank you so much, Kishore, for sharing that. In fact, your second goal of going to UK was as good as achieved. We all know because of situation you couldn't travel. So our heartiest, congratulations and best wishes for you to go to UK very soon. And our main, as I said, your main goal, I remember you said it now also that you want to become a national sales manager. Kishore, you're following the tools and techniques. You're, following whatever you learned. So I'm sure very soon and before your, maybe your, timeline, you'll achieve that goal. And we will invite you again, to share your success story. And Kishore, before we conclude, there are a lot of people, as you know, that because of the current situation, people are really struggling. People are going through a lot of negative emotions, especially because you are a very senior manager in a pharmaceutical industry. You know the job market. People are struggling with jobs and all, and so much is happening, so much negativity. I just want you, somebody who's been successful, by following everything that you learned, achieve your goals. What is your message to the audience, and how do you want to inspire and create more people who come and, share their success stories?
Well, I would like to share with the audience that just be positive, stay positive, be calm, and be focused on your goals. There is a lot of negativity around, a lot of stress around. Don't let it walk you. You be positive, focus on your goal, and I'll tell you, definitely you will be successful.
Thank you so much, Kishore. That was a wonderful advice, and God bless you. And our best wishes are always with you, Kishore. And look forward to see you very soon in our next program of, My Success Story, wherein you will be achieving your other goals, and we'll come and meet you again. Thank you so much. God bless you, Kishore.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you.
you so much.